Hello everyone, and welcome to a new Get to Grips with video. In this video, we will talk about creating new Microsoft Word documents. Before we dive in, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Microsoft Word offers many ways to create new documents. When we first open Microsoft Word, the Start screen appears. To create a new blank document, we can simply click on Blank Document and an empty document is created. This option is available in both the Home and New sections. This option is also available on the Quick Access toolbar when we are already editing a document. The shortcut for this command is pressing Ctrl+N on our keyboard or CMD+N on a Mac. If we don't want to start from scratch, we can use a template. Templates can save us time and give our documents a professional touch. When we go to the New section, we'll see a variety of templates available right within Word. We can browse to find the perfect template for our needs, or we can use the search function. Click on any of them, and then click Create, and a new document based on this template opens. If you have your own template, you can use it by going to the Open section and clicking on Browse and navigating to where you saved your custom template, selecting it, and opening it as a new document. Microsoft Word templates have the .docx file extension. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss opening and closing Microsoft Word documents, so make sure to check our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you then.